I just wanted to share a 6-day follow-up of the Manucurist manicure I did a few days ago, and you can see that video on the channel as well. So it's very important to remember that wear of polish, meaning how long it lasts, depends a lot on the condition of the nails. My mom's nails are actually quite flexible, but they are healthy and not damaged. So again, the wear depends on the foundation. The stronger the foundation, the better the wear. Obviously, there are other factors as well, but anyone with thick nails will have the polish last longer than someone with thin nails or flexible nails or damaged nails. So just think when you use the same polish for a pedicure and for your manicure. That same polish will last on feet about 2 to 3 times longer than on hands. So the same polish, same application, but much longer wear because the toenails generally are much thicker and they are less exposed to water and detergent. So I'm very curious if, in your opinion, the polish lasted well or not. Please let me know in the comment section. Generally, I advise not to wear polish for more than 5 to 6 days to prevent nail surface damage, and then take a break, so 1 to 2 days without polish. In that time, I recommend using a treatment that is appropriate for your nails and doing a warm oil soak. That also is quite protective for the nails, and this is exactly the routine that we are following here. I removed the polish with pure acetone. This is why you see that white residue. It's very temporary. And then I applied Mavala Scientific Plus. And that product is a hardener that cross-links the layers of the nail, hardening the nail. The ingredient responsible for this in this product is called dimethyl urea. They also have a hardener that contains formalin, or they call it formaldehyde. It's actually formalin, but it's not usually available anymore. So this product is quite liquidy and it soaks in or dries quite fast. I would say about a minute. After this, I applied oil because we didn't have time to do oil soak, but my mom is going to do the soak tonight, so the oil can sit on the nails throughout the night. And I will leave a link in case you're interested to a video about warm oil soaks, how they benefit the nails, in the description box below. And because my mom does a lot of cooking and she just finished making dinner, we have some quote-unquote lifestyle residue under a nail. So I don't know who came up with this funny description. I think it was Kathy Rochemont from Nail Basics. So basically some dirt under the nails, and this is how I would clean it, with the softer side of the wooden stick, so I do not hurt the skin under the nail. This always has to be done very gently. Thank you so much for watching.